This is the Reotemp soil and compost thermometer. This is the 12-inch version right here. As you can see, it is 12 inches long. If you were to drive this thing straight into the ground, you would get it 12 inches deep. And this is what it looks like. So when I took this out of the box, inside the house, the temperature was 72 degrees. It was sitting at 72 degrees. And me being me, I hit it with a lighter and drove it all the way up to past the 178 mark. And it has settled at 57 degrees or so, which is exactly the outside temperature right now, according to my outdoor thermometer. It arrives just like this, arrives safely. So let's put this thing in the ground and see what happens. I'm planting some canna lilies over here, and I need the temperature of the ground to be 60 degrees or higher. So let's see what we got. Outside temperature of about 57 degrees, and I can see that the ground temperature on here looks like it's about 55 degrees. So not quite ready for the canna lilies yet. It'll read the temperature right from the tip, so I don't really need it buried all the way in the ground. But it looks like I have a little ways to go. You can see, actually, I took it out of the ground, and you can see the temperature starting to change. It goes up a bit to adjust to the outdoor temperature. But there it is, seems to work, the Reotemp 12-inch thermometer.